In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Best Buy e-gift card. We will walk through buying it online so it gets delivered digitally, which is perfect when you need something fast or do not want to wait for mail. First, go to the Best Buy website in your browser. Type Best Buy into your search engine, then open the official Best Buy site. Once the homepage loads, look for the section or link labeled gift cards, usually near the top menu or sometimes toward the bottom of the page. When you click gift cards, the page should change and you will see different gift card options appear, including physical and digital choices. From here, choose the e-gift card or digital gift card option. This choice tells Best Buy you want an email version instead of a plastic card. When you select it, the screen should update to show you the digital gift card design, along with fields for the amount and recipient information. Many beginners accidentally click the physical card, so double-check that the description clearly says digital delivery or email delivery before you continue. Now select the amount you want on the e-gift card. You will usually see popular fixed amounts as buttons and sometimes a box where you can type a custom amount within a certain range. When you click an amount, it should highlight or show as selected, and the total should update on the page. If you are unsure what to choose, remember the recipient can use the card across multiple purchases until the balance reaches zero. Next, enter the recipient email address. Type it carefully into the email field since this is where the e-gift card will be delivered. A tiny typo is a common mistake and can send the card to the wrong person. Many pages show a second box to confirm the email, so if you see that, type it again exactly the same. After you finish, check the email letters one more time before moving on. After that, you can add a personal message if you want. There is usually a text box labeled message or optional message. Here you can write a short note, like why you are sending the card, or a simple greeting. On most designs, the recipient will see this message included in the email they receive with their digital gift card. With your details ready, proceed to checkout and pay. Click the button to add the e-gift card to your cart. Then open the cart and move to checkout. On the checkout page, you will enter your own billing information and choose a payment method, such as a card or store payment option. When you submit the order, the page should show an order confirmation with an order number on the screen. Finally, the Best Buy e-gift card will be delivered electronically. The recipient should receive an email from Best Buy with their digital card and instructions on how to redeem it online or in store. You have now bought a Best Buy e-gift card online and had it sent by email, ready for the recipient to use. If this helped you send your digital gift, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.